Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 4, subject English, lesson It's Only a Matter of Practice. Let's begin. Long ago, many years ago, in a faraway place in country China, there lived an archer. Students, archer is someone who shoots arrows from bow to hit the target, as you can see. The name of the archer was Chen Yaozi. He was a very skilled archer. He was very good at performing wonderful feats of archery. He could hit the target with a lot of ease and also in different positions. He was very good at it. He could hit the target precisely, meaning exactly on point, even when it was placed at a very long distance or far away. Chen Yaozi was very proud of his skill. He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. He liked to show off his skill to the crowds who liked and respected his archery. One day he was practicing and showing off his skills of archery in front of many admirers, people who liked and respected his talent. At that time, Chen Yaozi noticed an old man standing at the back. The man was carrying gourds of oil. Students, in olden days, containers were made from large dried fruits with a hard skin. Such containers were called gourds. In those days, gourds were used to store water, oil, etc. This old man was carrying gourds of oil that were hanging from a long cane on his shoulder, as you can see in the picture. All the other people standing there watching Chen Yaozi were clapping their hands and praising Chen Yaozi, saying good things about Chen Yaozi. But this old man was quiet. He neither clapped nor said any words of praise. That is, he did not clap, he did not say anything good about Chen Yaozi. He was just standing and nodding his head, moving his head. He said, "It's just a matter of practice," which meant there is nothing great about the archery that Chen Yaozi was performing. Anybody with good practice can achieve this. Chen Yaozi was annoyed. He was angry. He told the old man, "Are you an archer yourself? Are you an archer? Do you think anyone can do what I can do with my bow and arrow? Do you think anyone can do what I am doing?" The old man said, "No, sir. I am not an archer, and I don't doubt your skill. I don't doubt how good you are at performing archery. All I said was, everything's a matter of practice. It's all about practice." Chen Yaozi became angry at the old man. He told the old man, "What do you know that you pass such thoughtless comments on other people? Who are you?" Chen Yaozi told the old man, "Why are you speaking without thinking? Who are you?" The old man said, "Please don't get angry, sir. I am an oil seller. I sell oil, as you must have guessed, from the gods. I am an oil seller, as you must have understood looking at the gods. Every day I fill these gourds with oil and sell them. Over the years, I have gained some skill, technique in filling the gourds. If you allow, I'll show it to you. Growled Chen Yaozi. Students, growled means to make a rough, low sound. Everybody around was curious, eager. Everybody wanted to see what would happen next. Patiently, the old man set down an empty gourd on the ground. Then he put a small coin on the mouth of the gourd. See it carefully, students. In those days, small coins had a little hole at the center. Then the old man stood up. He took some oil in his ladle and started to pour oil into the gourd through the hole in the coin. When the old man finished filling the gourd, he lifted up the coin. Not a trace of oil could be seen on it. There was no oil on the coin at all. The people watching it were speechless with wonder. They were so surprised that they had no words to speak. They were speechless. But the old man only smiled. As I said, there's nothing special about it. It's only a matter of practice, you see. With this act of old man, it was proved that there is nothing so special. Everything can be achieved with hard work and practice. So we must never feel proud about it or show it off to others. After watching this, Chen Yaozi lost all his anger, annoyance, and irritation. He just gave a short laugh. He told the old man that you have taught me something important today. After that, Chen Yaozi never showed off or boasted about his skill as an archer. He never spoke with pride about his skill as an archer ever again. Old man taught him not to be proud about his skill, his talent. It can be achieved by anyone with hard work and continuous practice. This was all about it's only a matter of practice.